Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Alecia'S Kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be making this sweet chili sticky wings. If you're new, you're so welcome here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you can get noticed when I post new videos. So guys, let's jump right into the video. So guys, I washed my chicken and I'm using lime juice just to get rid of some of the rawness from the chicken. Then you'll be seeing me squeezing the excess liquid from that chicken, and yeah, we're gonna get ready to season it. So to season my chicken, I'm using the Maggi all-purpose chicken seasoning. You guys always see me using this because it's just so flavorful, guys. So I'm using that, and I'm using this paprika. I love paprika in everything that I do, and also some black pepper. Then guys, for my chicken coating, I'm using about a cup of flour or a cup and a half of flour. Then I'm adding the all-purpose flour, paprika, and the black pepper to it just to season it. Then I'm adding my chicken to it and coating it, and make sure that every single part of it is coated. So guys, the previous clip before this one, I have no idea what happened, but as you guys can see, our chicken is getting there. It's almost cooked and ready to be eaten. I'm kidding. We're ready to toss it in the sweet chili sauce. So guys, I'm getting ready to remove my chicken from the skillet and putting it on a paper napkin. Put it on a paper napkin so the oil can soak through, because we don't need no excess oil in our stomach, honey. Okay, so I'm using the sweet chili sauce, and then I'll be adding this oyster sauce to it. Then we're gonna leave that for about a minute until it starts to simmer. After it starts to simmer and starts to reduce, we're gonna add our chicken. Now this looks great, so I'm about to add my chicken to this, and I didn't fully cook my chicken because I'm gonna put it in the oven so the chili sauce can soak through that chicken and yeah, continue to cook. Now guys, look at that. I'm adding my parsley to it because guys, I love parsley. But look at this chicken. It's sticky, it's delicious, it's juicy, it's moist, it's everything you'd imagine wings to taste like. That's exactly how it tasted. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.